Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: app installed, mic and storage permissions granted, and an account ready. Open Necrophonic and sign in. The dashboard appears. First, set recording quality to 44, 1K HZ or 48K HZ, and choose mono if background noise is a concern. Once done, tap record and speak a short test phrase to calibrate gain. This initial test saves you time and prevents clipping, so make sure levels sit below the red zone before proceeding. Now you configure sessions and signal path. Create a session, name it, and add a timestamp so retrieval is fast later. Next, apply pre-filters. Enable noise reduction, set a high pass at 80 Hz to remove rumble, and add a notch filter if you detect 50/60 Hz mains hum. Once done, adjust real-time gain so peaks stay well below clipping, and enable headphone monitoring to confirm what the app records. These steps control audio fidelity and reduce editing time. You're at the final stage, recording and exporting. Do multiple takes and use the app's marker to flag favorites. Add short notes so you remember context. When finished, export as WAV or FLAC for maximum quality or MP3 for easy sharing, and attach metadata like date and location. If audio unexpectedly drops, first check microphone permissions, background app restrictions, and battery saver settings. Restarting the app after changing settings usually resolves glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.